All right, today we're going to be doing something different. We're going camping today, and I like to use this B&W sliding fifth wheel hitch. However, it's very heavy, and without this shop crane, I wouldn't be able to do it by myself unless I used a tractor, but the tractor would be a little bit more dangerous than and less precise than using this. So I'm going to use this to put the hitch, and then I'll show you one little pointer about getting these pucks set inside the frame rail that's very helpful. All right, now that we have our hitch in the puck system here on this Ram pickup, you'll see they slide down in here. You'll use the lever on top to adjust it to slide in. Sometimes they get a little tight when you're trying to push them closed like this. If you pull out this cotter key right here and loosen this up, it'll allow you a little more slack, but I've got mine kind of adjusted right where I want, so I use a rubber mallet and I tap these in.